Hello everybody, I'm Mortika Lacrosse, and you're watching another episode of Pursuit of Happiness right here on Positively Affecting Lives. And this video is the last of the series. We're finally concluding it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. This last part is you have to remember, after following all those steps that you've recently heard, is that money doesn't buy happiness. Yes, money can provide you opportunities and time to where you can do more of the things you enjoy and spend time with more of the people that you love. But you, on this path to wealth and prosperity, you must remember to enjoy the journey and be happy with your life right now. Because if you're not happy with what you have right now or happy with your life, money is not going to change that. There are plenty of people that are wealthy and prosperous and are not happy. So you have to make sure that you are happy with your life the way right now. You may not be happy with your financial situation, but you have to remember to be happy with the other things around you, because you cannot control your wealth or your financial situation right now. But if you are grateful and thankful for the things that you have in your life currently, then when you achieve the financial status that you want, you'll still be happy, and you'll be able to do more things with the people you care about and love. But you have to remember, money does not buy happiness. Yes, it can help you achieve a financial situation to where you can spend more time with your loved ones and your family and your friends. But you must be happy with yourself, of who you are and what you are, before you achieve this wealth and prosperous mindset. That way you can be wealthy in all aspects of life, not just financial-wise. So I hope you've enjoyed this series, of Pursuit of Happiness. I'm still currently working on my conflict resolution videos. I hope to release them in February, but if I'm not able to, there will be other content before that. So don't be surprised if you don't see the conflict resolution videos right away, because there's a particular way I want to do it, and if I'm not able to, then I'll have to release other videos until I'm able to do that. But hey, if you want to see more Pursuit of Happiness videos, or more positive thought videos, or more videos that will positively affect your life, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified of future videos that are coming up, and you can be notified when I finally do release the conflict resolution videos. Anyways, I'm Mortika Lacrosse. Thank you for watching. As always, namaste, blessed be, and peace out.